mission reunion.
Yeah. And then he gets to see his mom and dad.
Oh, you went to Salt Lake?
Yeah.
Oh, he went to Salt Lake. He didn't go to Hurricane, huh?
No, they're not there.
They're still up in Salt Lake?
Yeah.
Hey, Gabrielle. Hi.
Go get him.
Hi.
Get the keys.
Get your keys.
Go
Get your keys. Oh, look at you. You're flying.
Good job. Go get him.
Good job.
A little slippery, huh? You got it. Go get him. You got him. Go get him, baby. Good girl. Good girl. There you go. Good girl. Yay.
There you
Yay.
go. Oh,
Almost.
almost. Gotta get him. Gotta get him. Gotta get him.
Get